Welcome to our modern production facility. Today, we'll take you through every step of how artificial grass is made, from raw materials all the way to finished goods. As an experienced manufacturer, we follow rigorous quality rules and focus on every small detail, aiming to supply safe, long-lasting turf to clients across the globe. First comes raw material mixing. We use top-grade PE and PP particles, combined with color pigments, UV protectors, anti-aging and wear-resistant additives. All materials are blended in precise ratios to secure good quality right from the start. The mixed materials are heated until molten, then pressed through custom molds to form neat grass strands. These hot strands are immediately cooled with running water and stretched several times. This process makes them flexible, strong, and resilient, so they won't easily break or lose shape. After that, we twist single strands together to build a tighter structure. For sports turf, we add extra reinforcement. This makes the turf far more resistant to wear and tear, perfect for busy sports grounds with heavy daily use. The finished yarns are fed into fully automatic tufting machines and stitch at even lie onto tough base fabric. This creates the basic form of our artificial grass. Our state-of-the-art machinery ensures consistent workmanship on every roll. Next, we coat the back of the fabric with eco-friendly water-based glue to hold all grass strands firmly in place and prevent shedding. The turf then goes through drying lines to set the glue fully, so it stays intact even after years of use. Once dried, the semi-finished turf is rolled up and set aside to cure naturally, giving the glue enough time to dry thoroughly. Great lye improves the turf's stability and overall lifespan. This stage is essential for reliable performance. When curing is complete, our workers cut the turf exactly to the sizes ordered by customers. Our professional inspectors check every piece carefully for appearance strength, color stability, and surface finish. We never let faulty products leave our factory. All qualified products are neatly packed and clearly marked with product codes, specifications, and batch numbers. They are then loaded onto trucks and shipped to customers at home and overseas. We also monitor delivery closely to make sure all goods arrive safely.